Now then, welcome to Bosh TV. Today I'm going to be cooking for you air fryer chicken in a basket, but it's vegan. That's right, I'm going to show you how to make our vegan version of chicken in a basket. It's flaky, it's spicy, it's peppery, crunchy, delicious, and that's made in an air fryer. So it's kind of healthy. Now let's get into it. First up, we're going to take 700 grams of potatoes, thinly sliced, and get them in an air fryer. Next up, slice your extra firm tofu into bite-sized chunks. We're looking for little nuggets here. And next comes the extra special trick. What we're going to do is we're going to thinly slice little diagonal slits in the top of that tofu. That is going to give us a lovely flaky texture, perfect for chicken in a basket. Now that tofu is looking great, very happy with that. That is going to get battered. So to make our batter, we need flour, salt, pepper, plant-based milk, caper brine, some white miso paste for that lovely umami, lemons, and we're going to whisk that all together into a kind of flavorful buttermilk style batter. That is absolutely perfect. Whack your cubed tofu in there and leave it for as long as you can. 30 minutes is fine, but if you can leave it overnight, all the better. Those lemons and the acidity will slowly develop the outside of that tofu. Next up, we're going to take some spiced panko breadcrumbs. You can use ours or you can make your own with chicken seasoning, vegan of course, and 100 grams of panko breadcrumbs. Stir all that good stuff together and you're going to have an incredible tasting, crispy outside to your little tofu chunks. Then it's super simple. Just carefully toss those tofu pieces inside that lovely coating. That needs to go in the air fryer and you're gonna need to finish your fries off as well, and then you're ready to serve up this incredible feast. Wasn't that a tasty recipe? Do subscribe if you're not already. Let us know your thoughts down in the comments below. Now, without further ado, I'm gonna taste this, but most importantly, I wanna see what Ian thinks. Ian, you there?
Oh, it looks good, man.
I mean, look at this. The key with this is we've turned this humble tofu into something which is super flaky and pulls apart just like chicken.
Oh, that really does look unreal.
Doesn't it?
Oh, nice.
Chipotle mayo for you, mate. Cheers. Oh, that's kind of weird.
Oh, wow. Oh, goodness me. That is like, if you don't like fake meat, that is a wonderful replacement. That is delicious, man.
Super naughty. And the cool thing is, it's tofu, which is obviously like kind of healthy. It's got loads of protein in it. It's much better than some kind of meat alternative. And you made it all yourself, which is always a nice thing.
That is genuinely bang on. Lovely.
So there you have it, the air fryer vegan chicken in a basket, courtesy of Bosh, and made with our Bosh panko breadcrumbs.
Yeah, it definitely gets my vote. You should definitely give this a whirl.
Peace.